The Pledge. India is my country.
India is my country.
All Indians
All Indians
are my brothers
are my brothers
and sisters.
and sisters.
I love my country
I love my country
and I am proud
and I am proud
of its rich
of its rich
and varied heritage.
and varied heritage.
I shall always strive
I shall always strive
to be worthy
to be worthy
of it.
of it.
I shall give my parents,
I shall give my parents,
teachers,
teachers,
and all elders
and all elders
respect
respect
and treat everyone
and treat everyone
with courtesy.
with courtesy.
To my country
To my country
and my people,
and my people,
I pledge my devotion.
I pledge my devotion.
In their well-being
In their well-being
and prosperity alone
and prosperity alone
lies my happiness.
lies my happiness.